On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect spicy chicken sandwich. Perfect for any barbecue or tailgate. So let's get to cooking. All right, so we got some chicken thighs at the store, and believe you me, these are way easier if you just get them in the package. We'll do a little bit of light trim on here. Nothing fancy. Square them up just a little bit. So what I'm doing is trimming off these little hangers, so when these cook, it's going to be a nice square piece that fits on the bun. No little sharp edges, kind of like this guy right here. Just take that little sucker off. And if you look right here, there's a blood vein. I'll cut that little sucker out. You don't want that. No bueno. No bueno. And there you go. So in competition, I'm looking for a nice square piece. And some of them you got to trim like that. And that's okay. Shout out to the new Kosmo knives, by the way. The boning knife, the chef knife, the slicing knife. We spent a ton of time and money engineering these so that they will last you a long time. Even got that cool little handle that just feels good in your hand. Got little grippers on it. All right, so let's season these up. We're gonna go with garlic jalapeno. Can't go wrong with that. Pro tip, if you're having trouble getting your rub to stick, if you're gonna use a binder, use mustard. I love it, but hey man, do you. All right, so we got the Traeger running at 350 degrees. We're gonna slap these little suckers on, get them cooking, and then we're gonna jump right in and make the ranch dressing. All right, so we have our Traeger timberline running at 350 degrees, and I'm just gonna slap these little suckers right up here on the top shelf. No real reason for doing it other than the heat's gonna come to the top, and I have a nice little handle to pick them up when I'm ready to be done with them. All right, so we're making homemade ranch. This is super simple, super easy. 1 cup of your favorite mayo, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 packet of ranch dressing. We like to put them in a mason jar. Just, you know, looks cool. Dump your packet in. Dump in your milk. Shake it. Just like that. Ranch dressing. Now, I always like to make this a little bit early. Put it in the fridge. Let it thicken up. And if you need to thicken it up a little bit more, you can always just add a little bit more mayo. But we are going to dunk them in buffalo hot sauce. Spicy chicken.
Oh yeah.
That's so good. Come on. All right, so our chicken is about 150 degrees right now. We're gonna move them down here, grab our trusty little pigtail, and do some dunking. All right, so for these, we're going with nothing but the best, but Hawaiian king rolls. I'm just gonna pull them out, put them on this sheet, put them on the Traeger just to warm them up just a tad bit, and then we're gonna crown these babies with some pepper jack cheese. So now we're gonna crown them with some pepper jack. Don't be shy here. You can use whatever cheese you want here, but we like pepper jack. And don't be shy. Put a lot on. I'm gonna put a little bit more on that guy, a little bit more on that guy. Now put our buns in to heat up. We'll be making spicy sliders in no time. All right, so our cheese is melted. It's time to get the buns off. Get them over here and staged. And now, time for the gold. Woo! Now, all we gotta do is build them. Little bit of lettuce. It's gonna help with that spicy kick. A little bit of tomato. Always season your tomatoes, man. And now we just build them. That's what I'm talking about. Here's some fat little dudes too. These are going to be perfect for any game day and or tailgate. Oh. That's so good. SPG works on everything, man. It just does. One pickle. I'm gonna do 2 of mine. I'm like that little fat dude right there. Spoon on that homemade ranch. And then crown them kings. Hawaiian rolls, that is. Just to show everybody that these got a little kick. Top them off with a little baby pepper. And voila. So these are going to be perfect for any barbecue or tailgate you have. These are crowd pleasers that everyone will love. But hey, enough talking. Let's get to eating. Look at that. Cooked to perfection. Tomato, lettuce, pickle, homemade ranch dressing. I'm just gonna dive in. These are perfect. You get that kick from the buffalo sauce, but that ranch kicks in just in time to cool it down. These are gonna be a crowd pleaser. Well, hey, I wanna thank you for watching. And as always, if you want this recipe, head on over to KosmosQ.com, print it out, make it for your people. They are gonna absolutely love this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. On today, what is it called? I always fucking never ask that question. Don't hit me. I'm just doing this because my wife is making me. Now let's get to cutting.